Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add voiceovers onto your designs within Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then type in new.express.adobe.com in the address bar and press enter. Or you may also use the application if you have it installed on your system. Once you are taken inside your homepage, you can choose from various different options for designs that you wish to make. Now, whenever you are making any video contents such as contents for social media, then you will generally be within the edit menu. Now, you can edit and add various different scenes based on your desire. And if you wish to add any audio of your own, you can click on the add audio option. Now, you will see the record voiceover as well as the upload from device option. You can choose the record voiceover option if you wish to record it instantly using your microphone, or you can also choose the upload from device option. After you choose your voiceover file, click on the open button, and now this will add the voiceover within your design right away. And now you can make your design and edits on top of this voiceover that you have just added. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a voiceover within your designs on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.